Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the stock and financial markets, the virus, and the general conditions after the solar eclipse of the 10th June 2021. Now, this eclipse is not visible in India, but I will use this eclipse as a lunation chart and I'll give the predictions according to the same. Let me read out. You see, mundane astrology is a very interesting and a very difficult subject, and lot of research is required to predict the events. In this article, I am going to discuss the predictions made for coronavirus and the solar eclipse on the 10th June 2021. It has been observed in the past that Saturn in Shravana star is most enigmatic. If we look back in 1903, 1800, 118 years back, and the same has been discussed in this article. I have also discussed the retrogression of Saturn in Capricorn in the article which was published in the Express Star Teller in the April 2020 edition on the page 39. So Saturn retrogression is very important. The most important parameter is, you see, these two planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are the major planets. And they are the slow moving planets. They are the 9th lord and the 10th lord of the natural zodiac. So any event which has to happen in this world, until unless these two planets aspect a particular curve in the zodiac, nothing can happen. Now my fear is that Saturn is already retrograde and Jupiter will become retrograde on the 21st after this solar eclipse of the 10th of June. Now, as per my predictions, the number of coronavirus cases have gone down after the 9th May, after Ketu has lifted its foot from full throttle for the virus and entered into Anuradha Nakshatra. You see, this virus will not totally go till Ketu leaves the sign Scorpio on the 17th March 2021. And my fear, you see, this we have seen the number of cases from 4,25,000, they have come to 92,000. They even went to 84,000. And now the last 2 days, it is, you know, they are around 90, 92, 94,000 cases. See, my fear is that once Jupiter becomes retrograde, then things will become, you know, unpredictable. Unpredictable in the sense that Jupiter is the only benefic planet, and when it goes in retrogression, debilitation, and is in fallen state or is with Rahu Ketu, then it is called afflicted and it does not give good results. Now my fear is that it is becoming retrograde on the 21st of June and it is nearing the sign, it is moving towards the sign Capricorn and also moving towards Saturn. And what I have observed in the coronavirus cases, that when Saturn and Jupiter are within 6 degrees to 16 degrees, then coronavirus has taken an ugly shape. Now at the moment, the degrees between on the 21st, when Jupiter goes in retrogression, the difference is 19.5 degrees, and slowly the difference in the longitudinal difference will reduce. So this is my only apprehension, that this is not good and this can give a third wave or maybe some catastrophic events in the world, because Jupiter, when it enters the sign debilitation, it will be most afflicted because it will be retrograde, it will be in debilitation, and it will also be fallen. And a fallen planet is most dangerous, and it will be aspecting 6-7 planets. It will be connected to 6-7 planets, and Jupiter is Karka for wealth. Jupiter is Karka for banks. Jupiter is Karka for children. Jupiter is Karka for prosperity. And joining with Saturn and the solar ingress in Virgo on the 17th September 2021 will be most enigmatic. This I'm just telling the broader spectrum. Now, let us see the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse, the sign rising is Libra, and the planets Sun, Moon, Rahu, and fallen Mercury, the ninth lord, is in the 8th house. And when Mercury is afflicted in transit, because it is the karka for stock and financial markets, it is the karka for weather, it is the karka for earthquakes, and when it is fallen in the 8th house with Rahu, Sun, Moon, and the ninth lord in the 8th house and the 8th lord in the 9th house, exchange of 8th and 9th lord is not good. So there may be earthquakes of intensity, there may be untowards happenings in the world. It is not visible in India, but will definitely influence to some extent. The Lagna lord is born in the 9th house, is very good. And it will be aspected by Jupiter. But Jupiter is the 3rd and the 6th lord. So as far as the virus is concerned, I don't see anything serious. But the only serious parameter is Jupiter becoming retrograde on the 21st and going close to Saturn. And for that I've already written an article. So the other thing is the stock and financial markets till June, till the end of June, there will be no major crash or no major correction. There may be corrections, as I've already mentioned, on the 11th of June, 21st and 22nd of June. There may be some corrections, but they all will be covered up. And in June, you will see for yourself, Nifty will cross 16,000 points. And there will be no major crash till August. There may be correction. Some corrections may start in the 3rd week of July, but major corrections will only take place in the 2nd week of August. So any astrologers who are saying that there may be some crash or in the near future, I don't see it. And on 1st and 2nd July, you would see the market may even cross 16,500. Nifty may cross 16,500 around the 1st or 2nd of July. The corrections would only come after the 3rd week of July. You note this point, and especially in the 2nd week of August. So this is all I just wanted to share, that there will be no major corrections in this month of June, and Nifty will cross 16,000. And the number of cases of coronavirus will definitely go down. But my fear is that since Jupiter is becoming retrograde, and if they lift the lockdowns, the number of cases per day reduction may not be substantial. So they may become stagnant. They may become stagnant, or they may fluctuate. They may fluctuate. So according to me, the lockdowns should be strictly implemented to avoid the 3rd wave. The 3rd wave time frame is, I've already mentioned, between 14th September to 2nd of December, especially till 20th of November. So friends, this lunation chart is not good, but it is good for the stock markets. It is good for the virus control. But after 21st, if we do not implement lockdowns, then we could have to bear, we may have to implement again lockdowns to control the virus spread. So this is all I just wanted to say. The earthquakes of intensity, natural disasters, political tug of war may also happen. But as far as the stock and financial markets are concerned, and virus may be controlled by and large till end of June. But after 21st, since the moment the longitudinal difference between Saturn and Jupiter will be 16 degrees and less, you would see for yourself the coronavirus or untoward happenings in the world concerning Jupiter and Saturn. Even the stock market is not good for the stock market, because Saturn and Jupiter coming close is not good. So when they come within 16 degrees, less than 16 degrees, this could also influence the stock and financial markets. So this, all the time frames I have mentioned in all my articles. If you read all my articles, you can pinpoint the things. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share, that irrespective that it is not visible in India, it will be influencing the other parts of the world, and untoward happenings and earthquakes, weather and stock and financial markets will be influenced the most. Virus spread will be controlled till 30th of June at least, because 21st, even if 21st Jupiter becomes retrograde, it is only 1 week. So till 21st, it is a safe bet till we implement the lockdowns. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. Take care of yourself. Get inoculated. Best of luck. And thank you for listening to me. And have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.